Living with OCD can feel like being trapped in a loop of unwanted thoughts and exhausting rituals, but there are practical ways to ease that burden. Today, let's walk through 5 science-backed everyday tips to cope with OCD, while remembering you don't have to face it alone. Tip 1. Call out intrusive thoughts. OCD isn't you. It's a disorder that sends false alarms. Label the thought as an OCD thought, instead of treating it as truth. This small shift builds distance and reduces its power over you. Tip 2. Delay the ritual. Instead of fighting compulsions head-on, try delaying them. Even waiting 30 seconds before performing a ritual teaches your brain that you are in control, not the compulsion. Over time, those delays can grow into freedom. Tip 3. Ground your body. When anxiety spikes, ground yourself with deep breathing, a walk, or naming 5 things you see around you. Grounding doesn't erase OCD, but it gives your body calm signals that reduce urgency and panic. Tip 4. Share with a trusted ally. OCD thrives in secrecy. Talking to a friend, family member, or therapist helps break the cycle of shame and isolation. Sometimes just saying, "I'm stuck in a loop right now," is enough to loosen its grip. Tip 5. Build structure into your day. Predictable routines reduce the space OCD tries to fill. Balanced sleep, consistent meals, and scheduled breaks lower stress, giving intrusive thoughts less fuel to spiral. OCD can be overwhelming, but support makes a real difference. You don't have to figure this out alone. At SDKare, our licensed providers understand OCD. We listen, we guide, and we create treatment plans tailored to you, all from the comfort of home. Managing OCD isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. Label intrusive thoughts, delay rituals, ground your body, share your struggle, and build daily structure. Step by step, you can reclaim peace and confidence. Don't wait to start your journey. Visit SDKare.com today and take the first step toward breaking the cycle of OCD with expert support. SDKare. Simple, dedicated care. Coping with OCD made easier.